Welcome back to another video from PBIAI Agent. In this video, we'll be testing our AI system's charting capabilities. I've prepared a simple dashboard using raw data with 124,000 rows, all connected to the AI agent. This setup simulates a scenario where you might want to visualize distributions, segmentations, or trends within your dataset. In such cases, the AI agent can be really helpful when you want to generate insightful charts on the go. For example, a common question might be, what are the top 3 states by quantity? Let's ask AI agent to generate a bar chart showing the top 3 states by quantity. It's always a good idea to define the calculation clearly before running the query, as that helps ensure more accurate results. You can do this simply by adding @calc in the prompt. Okay, let's run it. We've got our bar chart, a clean visualization showing California as number 1, Ontario as number 2, and Texas as number 3. Let's double check if the numbers are correct. I quickly recreated a bar chart from the raw data, filtering for the top 3 states by quantity. And yes, AI agent returned exactly the same results. California, 230,000, Ontario, 192,000, and Texas, 160,000. Perfect. So, we can confirm that bar charts are working correctly. Now, let's test how pie charts perform. We'll ask, give me a pie chart of the total sum of quantity by country. The response has been processed, and AI agent has returned both summary details and a pie chart. On the left, you can see the original Power BI chart, and on the right, the one generated by AI agent. They look very similar. For example, the United States accounts for about 2 million, which is roughly 50% of the total. AI agent also reported the same figure. Great consistency there. Next, let's test a line chart. We'll ask AI agent, give me a line chart of total quantity by year and comment on the trend. Once the response is processed, the line chart looks accurate. For example, we see around 1.5 million in 2022 and about 1.2 million in 2023. Interestingly, AI agent also added a trend line, which I didn't explicitly request, but it's a very useful addition. The key insight here is that the data shows strong growth up to 2022, followed by a slowdown, which aligns perfectly with the actual pattern. That's it for this test. In total, Power BI agent currently supports 4 chart types: bar, line, pie, and donut. Thank you for watching, and enjoy using PBIAI agent.